Let him walk down. 1 minute. 1 minute. Every slow.
Please give your message to the people.
As I said, this is the moment. This is a moment of reckoning for every Goan. Every Goan is waiting for this time. Was waiting for this time. This time has come, and 23rd of April is going to be the D-Day when they are going to express their anger, their frustration with whatever has been going on. Aam Aadmi Party had said it in 2017, but it took a little long for people to understand our message. But now people have understood it very, very clearly that there is a solution to every issue only through the common man's point of view, from the common man's mind. If you start thinking, then only solutions come. What has been happening is all capitalism where suitcases are getting exchanged and people are jumping like frogs. There is nothing called ideology, there is nothing called Congress, there is nothing called BJP. Everybody is for themselves and everything is determined by the strength of the power of money that they get. And that is the reason you find today one congressman overnight jumping into BJP and a hardcore BJP overnight jumping into Congress. This is what the people have come now to destroy forever and restore some sanity in what is going on. Goa needs an independent mind to take it out of the deep trouble it is facing right now. The people of Goa, our experts, particularly the NRIs, the OCIs, I thank them for the tremendous support that they have been showing in this election. हे आमचे गोंयकार जे भाव आसा भायर तांकां चड करून हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आदीच कित्याक हे चडांत चड सपोर्ट म्हाका थंयच्यान करता कित्याक तांकां दुखता हे तांचे गोंय तांच्या हातांतल्यान सगळें चल्लें म्हणून आनी हाका जबाबदार कोण ही जबाबदारी जी आसा जबाबदारी ज्यांच्या हातांत दिल्ली हे सगळे फटींग चोर आनी ह्या चोरांच्या हातांतल्यान काडून परतें घेवपाक हो एक प्रयत्न जाल्लो आसा आनी दॅट इज वाय वी आर गेटिंग मोर एंड मोर सपोर्ट. थँक्यू.
Thank you. Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party. Zindabad. Aam Aadmi Party. Zindabad. Aam Aadmi Party. Zindabad. Vote for Elvis.